top headlines for the day.
लग गया कौन था नंबर ये चलता रहे जब तक दमकल रात काला रात काला तेरा दम हाँ
Well, we all know that how hot things get on Karan Johar's show, Coffee with Karan. And ji haan, this time around things got hotter and steamier when unbridled Ranbir Kapoor and Ranveer Singh made it to the show. Needless to say, the show was fun-packed and full of powerful punches. Also keeping into account the equation that Ranbir shares with Salman Khan. Naughty Karan made it a point to have a lot of questions related to Salman Khan on the show. In one of the rapid-fire questions, Karan prodded the Kapoor lad with what would be the name of Salman's autobiography, to which Ranbir promptly replied, Braveheart. Now, was Ranbir taking a dig at Bhaijan, or was he just making a point about what is already obvious? Now that perhaps only Ranbir can answer, isn't it? Salman-Shah Rukh Khan bromance has gone to next level. We heard that the party hosted by Salman Khan at his residence, Galaxy Apartments, was a starry affair. As anticipated, King Khan was the most anticipated guest and much awaited too. Shah Rukh, who arrived relatively later than other guests, was greeted by Bhaijan. King Khan was seen inside his car before being greeted by Sallu outside the house. The two shared a candid conversation and post which they were seen hugging too. Amongst the others who attended were family members Sohail Khan, Alvira Agnihotri along with her husband Atul Agnihotri. Friends Sunil Shetty, Sajid Nadiadwala, Suraj Pancholi and Niketan Madhok graced their presence too. Now, that is a bromance we can totally get behind. What do you guys think about it? Do drop a comment and share your thoughts with us. Well, we all know that Ranbir Kapoor, despite not being in Bhaijan's good books, is an ardent fan of Salman. Yes, you heard that right. Exhibiting his fanatism was Kapoor lad at Karan Johar's Coffee with Karan. Well, Ranbir took the show by a storm when he did an impromptu to Salman's iconic move of Sultan, Jag Ghumaiya, and his famous Oh Oh Jani Jana step to beat Ranveer Singh on the show. The excitement with which Kapoor lad grooved to Khan's numbers was a clear indicator of him being a fan of Bhaijan. Well, looks like Katrina Ranbir split is definitely making Kapoor Jr. warm up to Bhaijan. But the million-dollar question is, will Salman forget that Ranbir snatched away his girl? Well, that perhaps only time will tell, isn't it? The Befikre stars are on full swing to promote their upcoming movie. Recently, Ranveer Singh appeared on the sets of Super Dancer to promote Befikre. Befikre Ranveer was captured in this picture with the super judge Shilpa Shetty Kundra. And don't you think both of them are looking jaw-droppingly stunning? Well, Ranveer had lots of fun and shared some loving moments with the kiddo contestants on the show. Not only he enjoyed a lot, but has also entertained the viewers and audiences present there in his Befikre andaz. Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor's starrer, passionate love story based film Befikre is scheduled to release on 9th of December. So aren't you guys excited to see Ranveer on Super Dancer? What do you guys think about Befikre Ranveer? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. Well, we all know that how very pregnant Begum Sahiba, aka Kareena Kapoor Khan, is all healthy and in shape throughout her pregnancy. Yes, but what caught our attention was the one standing right behind. If you haven't recognized her yet, well, she's Ulia Bantur. Well, हमें मिली है खबर कि करीना and Saif was spotted partying till wee hours with friend Salman Khan. Yes, Bhaijan and Kareena share a special bond and have worked on several films together. From the looks of it, we can very well understand that Kareena was having a blast with her close friends. Also spotted at the party was her sister, Karishma Kapoor, and her bestie, Malaika Arora Khan. From the looks of it, Kareena, who has skipped her baby shower, was determined to have a blast before the D-Day. Now that's what we would say interesting, isn't it? Recently, Salman Khan called Bigg Boss 10's celebrity contestant Rahul Dev boring and lazy for performing tasks pathetically. During an interview to a leading daily, Rahul's fiancée Mugdha Gorsay said she feels Rahul did nothing wrong. The 30-year-old actress also stated, "I didn't see that episode. I saw all the updates on Twitter. Having said that, I want to add that Salman is entitled to his opinion. I agree with what Rahul is doing. I feel it's better to stay put than getting into others' business and start a fight for no reason." The format of the show is to be interactive. Only fighting and yelling is not entertainment and jokes. Fun tasks, emotions, friendship bonding, laughter too offer entertainment. And everybody, Rohan Mehra and Karan Mehra, called lazy by Salman, were very active in their tasks. Rahul too. So what do you guys think about Mugdha's take on Salman? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. Director Ali Abbas Zafar made his debut with Meri Brother Ki Dulhan starring Katrina Kaif. The duo are all set to collaborate once again for a film, Tiger Zinda Hai, a sequel of 2012 release Ek Tha Tiger. Also uniting once again for the film are Katrina and Bhaijan. Well, if you're thinking that the film is all about reunions, then you're completely wrong. For this time around, Katrina is determined to have a strong role opposite Salman Khan. Post Baar Baar Dekho's box office failure, her demand seems to be justified, isn't it? Talking about the actress, Ali said, "I hope I give her a strong character. She will kill me if I don't. She's my best friend. I hope there are strong characters in the film." Ali's previous films, Meri Brother Ki Dulhan and Sultan, had strong female characters. Keeping that in mind, well, Katrina, you can breathe easy. You're in safe hands, isn't it?
Well, it's a good news for all Ranveer Deepika fans. The most adorable couple of Bollywood town, whose relationship got soured for a while, is now back together. Any guesses as to who's the Cupid? Well, it's none other than our lover boy Shah Rukh Khan. That's right. They were all at Ambani's residence for a party. Ranveer and Deepika did seem to have an awkward silence between each other. They socialized in different groups. They didn't talk unlike their usual style of public display of affection. Our super Khan Shah Rukh probably noticed this apparition silently and he brought the two on the dance floor. The confrontation lighted a romantic smile on Deepika's face and the couple couldn't help but dance together, much to the delight of everybody present. After the party, the shimmery couple left the party hand in hand and sped off in the same car. Fans are finally relieved, है ना? So guys, what do you think about it? Comment below and share your thoughts with us.
Alia's Dear Zindagi shows a fab growth. Alia Bhatt's starrer Dear Zindagi has shown great growth over its opening weekend. The slice of life drama has raked a whooping 32.50 crores in the first 3 days of its box office debut. The film not only packs a solid punch, but has also shown a fabulous growth. On Friday, the film had done a business of rupees 8.75 crores. On Saturday, rupees 11.25 crores. And on a Sunday, it graduated to rupees 12.50 crores, thereby adding on to a total business of rupees 32.50 crores. With this total, the film has beaten the opening collection of Udta Punjab, where Alia again had played a pivotal role. Dear Zindagi becomes the 10th highest weekend opener of 2016. Now, isn't that great? Going by the current box office trend, it looks like when it comes to opening weekend, Alia's recent release Dear Zindagi may certainly beat some of her previous films like Highway in merely few days.